Namaste. In today's video, I will tell you about how to start a pickle manufacturing business or pickle selling business. We all understand what is a pickle, right? Now, in India, definitely pickle are consumed or taken. Not only India, but Indian pickles are also in demand in abroad or other countries. Now, who can do this pickle manufacturing business or pickle selling businesses? Elderly ladies or people who have a very good hand in preparing these kind of pickles can definitely choose or opt for this kind of business. Now, pickle manufacturing business or pickle selling business can be also called as a small scale industry. You can start this business from your home within 2000 rupees or within 5000 rupees also. You can start this business with a very minimum, very low investment. You can start this business. Now, there are many different type of pickles. I mean to say, you already know that mango pickle, lemon pickle, and non-veg pickle, and there are many different varieties of pickle. And please understand, pickle also have a taste depending on the states. I mean to say, Maharashtrian pickle has a different taste, Andhra pickle has a different taste, Gujarat pickle will have a different taste. So if you're seriously planning to start this business, you can definitely play with the varieties. Maharashtrian mango pickle, Andhra mango pickle, Gujarati mango pickle, these kind of varieties you can try to label your pickle. That can be very good, I mean to say, click for your business. You can definitely start with one type of pickle, maybe mango pickle or tomato pickle or lemon pickle. Any one variety you can start your production, and once you see that your production is like your pickles are liked by people around you or the suppliers to whom you are supplying your pickles, if they are happy with the service, if they are happy with the product, then you can go to some other varieties. I mean to say, you can go for other pickles, this kind of thing. Now, when you are working for pickle manufacturing business, make sure at the beginning of your business, do not think about the margin or do not think about the profit. Instead of that, try to concentrate on the product quality. Pickle is your product, right? So make sure the oil you are using in your pickle, the fruit, the vegetable, or the material that you are using, the masalas you are using in your pickle are of the optimum quality or very good quality. Make sure that the quality of the product comes out very good. Only then people will like your product and they will order or reorder your pickles. Now, once you have created or manufactured or made your pickle, then you also have to concentrate on the labeling part. I mean to say, the packaging and the labeling part. Most of the pickle in the market, you will see they are packaged in plastic bottles. Few will be also packaged in glass bottles. Glass bottles are definitely expensive when compared to plastic bottles. You can start with plastic bottles. If you have some more investment, you can plan for glass bottles also for packaging your pickles. Now, you have to make sure that the packaging, the labels that you are using on the pickle box is very good, very attractive. Because please understand, when we all go to a supermarket, first we see the label of the box. We analyze, we judge the product with our eyes, whether the label is colorful, whether the label is giving us all the information, how good the label, the design, the patch around the box is designed. We first analyze with our eyes, only then we make a decision. So in the same way, please pay very good concentration, please pay very good attention on the labeling part of your product. So the labeling part should be very nice, very colorful, and it should give all the information of your product. Then plan about the plastic bottle or glass bottle. Please understand, when you order plastic bottles or glass bottles in bulk, you will get more margins. I mean to say, you will be able to save more. So you can plan also buying these plastic bottles or glass bottles in bulk. And then once your packaging is done, once your labeling is done, once your product is also made of very high quality, very good quality, then comes the selling part. How will you sell your product? Whom will you sell your product? First thing is you have to distribute your product, your labeled packaged product, to your nearby people. I mean to say your friends, your family members, your close network. Please understand, your first customers will be from your friends and your family members or your neighbors, your close network only. This happens with all the businesses. The first very initial customers will be from the very close network. So make sure to supply your pickles to your close network, and then you can start supplying these pickles to the kirana store in your area, to the supermarket in your area. Go to a supermarket, speak to the store manager and speak a deal with him, and then you can start placing your product in the supermarket shelves. There will be different packages. The store managers will definitely explain you about that. Now you can start approaching to store managers and placing your pickles in the racks of the supermarket and all those stuff. This is one way of selling your pickles or your products. The second way of selling your pickles or your product will be through online. You can definitely have a website. You can sell, you can make your website on Shopify, or there are many WordPress. There are many platforms on which you can design a WordPress, you can design an e-commerce or a shopping cart website where people can come and they can place their order and they can make the payment and they can book their order, this kind of thing. This is one way of selling online. Second way of selling online is definitely using social media. I mean to say Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, where you need not have to pay huge amount like designing a website. You need not have to pay anything for creating a Instagram page or Facebook fan page. You can sell your products through Instagram account or Facebook fan page also. This is the second way. Third way of selling your product is using Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket and these kind of platforms. Now please understand, Big Basket we already know, like we book our groceries or vegetables and food items, all these things from Big Basket. Like Big Basket, there are many other platforms also. Amazon is definitely one of them, Flipkart and all. There are many this kind of online shopping websites where you can become a seller. You can put your products in these websites, Amazon or Big Basket, and you can start selling. I'm creating in my next video I will be telling you how you can sell your products on Amazon. So I will put the link of that video in the description of this video also. You can check that video. You will get an idea how you can sell your products on Amazon. So selling your pickles or your products online will also give you more, I mean to say, more visibility. Your brand, like for example, you can name your brand something and your brand will get more visibility across the world. Not only in India but across the world, your brand will get more visibility. There will be chances where you will get bulk orders. I mean to say 1,000 bottles of pickle or 10,000 bottles of pickles. This kind of orders also you may be expecting, you may be getting from online channels. So that is how this pickle manufacturing business can be planned. Now one more thing, if somebody is not interested to manufacture pickle, there is lot of work, a lot of efforts we have to put for pickle manufacturing, this and that. If somebody has this kind of things, this kind of thoughts, then I have another idea for you. You can definitely approach a pickle manufacturing company. You can definitely approach a pickle manufacturing company and you can give them a contract. I mean to say, they will only create the product for you and you can put your label into the product. This is called as contract contract manufacturing. You are approaching a manufacturing company, they are creating the product, the pickles for you. You are only placing your label around the product and then you can sell your product in the market, in supermarket or online channels and things like that. If you want to avoid the manufacturing process, then you can use this contract manufacturing idea also. So this is how pickle manufacturing business can be started. This is a very good idea, pickle manufacturing business. And if someone in your close network, like your mom, your sister, any lady who is like I want to do something, I want to help my family earn that extra income, I want to help my husband to earn that extra income, I can't go out to work, then you can definitely give this idea to them to start a pickle manufacturing business. Please understand, to start this business you only need 2,000 to 5,000 rupees investment. That is a minimum you have to put to start this business, and I would say 2,000 and 5,000 rupees is also affordable amount to start a business. a pickle manufacturing business. So that is all about this pickle manufacturing business. If you have any questions regarding this business idea, you can put down in the comment section. I will definitely reply you back. If you like this business, if you like this video, you have to click that thumb icon and share this video with all your lady friends and family members, and comment also. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and namaste.